Hello and welcome to our video. If you're considering adding a furry friend to your family, you might be wondering which dog breed is the right fit for you. In this video, we will be comparing two popular breeds, the Rottweiler and the Pit Bull, to help you make an informed decision. Size and weight. First, let's start with size and weight. Rottweilers are a large breed, with males reaching up to 27 inches in height and weighing up to 135 pounds. Pit Bulls, on the other hand, are a medium-sized breed with males reaching up to 21 inches in height and weighing up to 60 pounds. So, if you're looking for a smaller breed, the Pit Bull might be a better choice. Temperament and personality. When it comes to temperament and personality, both breeds are known for being loyal and affectionate towards their owners. However, Rottweilers can be wary of strangers and have a strong protective instinct, while Pit Bulls are known for their friendly and outgoing personalities. Rottweilers can also be dominant, which may make them better suited for experienced dog owners, while Pit Bulls are known for their playful and energetic personalities and make great companions for families with children. Health and lifespan. When it comes to health and lifespan, both breeds are generally healthy, with an average lifespan of 10 to 12 years. However, Rottweilers can be prone to certain health conditions such as hip dysplasia, while Pit Bulls are prone to skin allergies. Regular veterinary checkups and proper care can help prevent or manage health issues and increase the lifespan of these breeds. Trainability and intelligence. Both breeds are highly intelligent and trainable, making them easy to teach new tricks and commands. However, Pit Bulls are known for their high energy levels and can be stubborn, which may make them more challenging to train. Rottweilers are also highly intelligent, but their dominant personalities may make them more suited for experienced trainers. Suitability for families. Finally, let's consider suitability for families. Both breeds make great family pets and are affectionate and loyal towards their owners. Rottweilers can be wary of strangers and have a strong protective instinct, making them better suited for families who value safety and security. Pit Bulls are known for their friendly and outgoing personalities, making them great companions for families with children. In conclusion, the choice between a Rottweiler and a Pit Bull ultimately comes down to personal preference and lifestyle. Both breeds are highly intelligent, trainable, and make great family pets. If you're looking for a smaller breed with a friendly personality, the Pit Bull might be a better choice. If you're looking for a larger breed with a strong protective instinct, the Rottweiler might be a better fit. Before making a decision, we recommend researching both breeds, meeting them in person, and considering your lifestyle and family needs. Don't forget to download your free ebook, Dog Training 101, at the beginning and end of the video. With this ebook, you'll learn everything you need to know about training your new furry friend. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been helpful in making your decision on which breed is right for you.